for me. Like, you can't tell me this isn't giving scalp, baby. Like, what? 언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yetunde and today we are back with another hair install. So I have hair from Ywigs. They did send me their microlinks, so we'll be doing that today. Let me show you guys what the hair looks like. They sent me 3 bundles in 222 and 120. And this is the hair. It is their kinky curly and the color blend is great, so I'm super excited to see the final results. This is what it looks like. I've been seeing different videos of how they install microlinks, and I think the great thing about the ones from Ywigs is they already have everything prepped for you. You literally just have to put it in there and pull, which I'll show you guys in the actual tutorial. Each pack of these comes with 4 bundles in one, which is all amazing because I think that's more than enough hair. It smells great, which is good. It smells like hair, but it smells good. But I'm also like really glad about the texture. This is what it looks like brushed out, which I think will also help with when I have my hair blown out, so I love that for me. So we've come by my handy dandy 3-way mirror because I definitely need it for parting purposes. Okay, so I've separated all my leave outs. I did the entire perimeter and a middle part. So now we're just gonna go into parting to actually start installing the hair. So this is the hair. The glasses had to come on so I could see, but this is the hair, and it has this little like pulley thing right here that once you insert the hair into this hoop, you just pull to pull your hair out of it. Oop, I almost pulled, and it comes all the way out, so then you don't need it anymore. So let's do this. Someone like you. 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica. We don't need to see each other to know that we're on the same wavelength. Oh yeah, why can't we just meet tomorrow? 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어. 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어. Oh, my heart is beating for you. waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어. I don't know what more to expect. 물론 아니야, 너는 난 알아. 너라는 말은 하고 싶지 않아 정말. 보러 갈게 바다 건너 난 널 뭐든 할게 말해줘 자고 싶지 않아 또 나는 홀로 우선 해보는 거야 나랑 YOLO. Yeah, 난 너와 나란히. Okay, that is it for the first row. I did about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, and the good thing is I can add and take out as I need. So I'll continue to do that, and then once I'm finished, or at least I get to the front, I'll come back and show you guys, so you're not just sitting here watching me do the same thing. It's literally so easy. Just just put it in, and you need the plier to close it in, so that's what I'm using this for. And to take it out, you just like press it the opposite way so it loosens. But it's pretty simple, so I'll be back. Okay, so it is currently midnight. That took me about 3 hours. I had to change my shirt because I got makeup all over it. And shout out, I've been wearing this makeup for like 12 hours because I put it on like 9:30 this morning. It's midnight. Anywho, this is the final result. There's like this one piece right here that wants to keep showing, but outside of that, it looks so good. It's blended really well. Show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna do the full like definition and stuff in the morning,
but it's giving me like a nice afro. And my hair in the front is really straight because I've been straightening it and it's just not reversing back, but that's okay. This looks really, really good. It's blending in really well. Show you what it looks like in the back. And I only used one bundle and I think a little bit of another one, but you don't need more than two. Literally 1.5 will get you there. It doesn't even matter like how full you want it to be. It was pretty easy to install. Taking it out, I'm sure, would be just as easy. So in the morning, I'm gonna trim it and define and style. So yeah, I'm exhausted. But I put it up until like here so I can get as close to my roots, my cover. Ooh, just loosening that up a little so I can get as close to my leave out as possible to give that ultimate blend. All right, so it is day 2 of continuing this hair. This is how it looks. I haven't really done anything to it all day, but I love it in its natural state, but that's not really the vibe I'm on right now. So what I've been doing is blowing it out so it can be more tamed. So I've done half already. This is how long it is. It's giving length and this is like giving shrinkage, but I blew it out halfway already. The microlinks are staying in really, really secure. They're not pulling out. I was nervous they were gonna like come out as I was blow drying it. I did wake up with a little bit of a headache this morning from this thing being on my head, but that's just because, ooh, that one felt like it was pulling. But that's just because I don't really like too much pressure on my head anyways. So, and I didn't make this close to my roots or anything, but still.
주말이 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져 너가 없으면 날 오케이 오케이 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길 오케이 오케이야 맘을 다 부어주긴 좀 그래 잠을 만큼 참았어 억울해 Baby I can feel it with you Maybe you feel the same with me too 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어.
So all done with the blowout. It's definitely giving by Felicia right now. This is the back and you can definitely see the links in there, but it's not terrible because it covers perfectly anyways for my leave outs. The texture definitely feels like my hair, so I'm interested to see how it's going to straighten. And yeah. Oh, it's giving my hair. It's definitely giving fresh blowout. Ooh, yes.
Oh, my heart is beating for you. waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어. I don't know what more to expect. 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어.
This is what it's looking like. The ends definitely need to be trimmed because they look very much frizzy, but that's to be expected. But it's actually straightening out very, very nicely, way better than I thought it was going to. So I'm very excited to see how the whole thing looks now. But love this for me. Okay, so we're all done. I put in a ponytail because I want to trim it. This can either go really well or really bad. So the ends are like actually atrocious. So it is day 3 of this hair. Yo, this is the longest video I've ever made, and I feel like my hair videos are always like vlog style, almost like do my hair with me over the next couple of days. This is the final look for me. Like, you can't tell me this isn't giving scalp, baby. Like, what? And I've been touching my hair all day because I just love the fact of how it feels, and it feels like my actual hair, which I think is my favorite part about it. And I used literally one bundle that's given me this volume, so I can at least like save and reuse the rest for later. I wish it was a little bit straighter. Not straighter, but like my hair is still poofy because honestly the weather is just not it. But I still like that it's giving me volume. It's not too flat because I love the volume, but I didn't want like the full fro going on. That's just not the vibe I was on. But this is the final look. The hair feels so soft, feels so good, and it didn't tangle all day. I didn't touch it. I also had it up in that ponytail, which I love the fact that I can just like claw clip my day. I love the fact that I could just put a claw clip on it and call it a day, and it's giving you didn't try too hard, and it's giving elegant, and it's giving it's my hair, and I just got it pressed out. Working with here, look at that, a full ponytail, and you can barely like see the extensions, which is great. It's this hair for me. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it because I've never done anything like this before. The most I've done with extensions is like weave or clip-ins, aside from wigs, but I've never done like tape-ins or microlinks or anything like that. So now I get the hype. I truly do, because it just gives natural, it gives scalp. Like, look how flat that is on my head. Look how flat. What? It's so nice. Do like a nice low ponytail when I have some hang time. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Have you ever done microlinks? What was your experience? It did give me a headache the first day I had it, but after the first night I was fine. I don't know what was causing the headache. Maybe it had nothing to do with the hair, maybe it did, but after the first night I was fine. And I don't really feel it when I sleep either, or when I press my head, which is one thing I was worried about. So it's like it's not even there. Unless you touch it and feel it, it's like it doesn't exist. That is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Want to expect